All right. As we said earlier, look at your screen. You will see we have questions about the text, question about the conversation we just had. Okay? Now, here we go. Creole. All right, now forget about English. We're going to dig into Creole right now. Question sous texte là. Question sous texte là. Question 1. Qui mange Maria te vle manger? Qui mange Maria te vle manger? Now, for you to answer this question, you need to go back to the text and look it up. Go back to the text, you read it, and then you answer that question. That question is, what food did the husband want to eat? Qui mange Maria te vle manger? Question D. Question D. Qui lot mange madame nan te offril? Qui lot mange madame nan te offril? Try to understand the question and then go back to the text and answer. What other food did the wife try to offer him? What other food did the wife try to offer him? 3. Est-ce que Maria te d'accord? Est-ce que Maria te d'accord? Did the husband agree with her? Did the husband agree with her? 4. Pour qui ça Maria pas de bouillon? Pour qui ça Maria pas de bouillon? Why did the husband not want those two? Why did the husband not want those two? Qui ça madame nan te décidé finalement? Qui ça madame nan te décidé finalement? What did the wife finally decide? What did the wife finally decide? Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go back to the text and answer those questions because they're right there. I'm sure you can do that. You're very smart. See you in lesson 14. Peace.